Hey, our friends, today we're going to draw a retro radio.
Yeah, and here's a quick preview of how our drawings turned out at the very end. I hope you're really excited to follow along with us. We're using our markers to draw and color with, but you can use whatever you have.
Like colored pencils or crayons.
Yeah, and if we ever go too fast, what can our friends do?
Pause the video.
Yeah, all right, you ready to start?
Yeah.
Hey parents and teachers, did you know we have a special place to draw without any ads or distractions? You can watch all of our lessons on artforkidshub.tv or in our official app available on Apple, Android, Roku, and more. It's the best way to draw together as a family or in the classroom anytime, anywhere, and without interruptions. Check it out and subscribe at artforkidshub.tv. Let's first draw the outside shape of our radio, and you could change the shape. It doesn't have to be the same as ours. Now I'm going to draw round corners instead of square corners, but I'm going to fill up a lot of my papers. So I'm going to draw a round corner there, then come across straight, and then I'm going to draw a round corner here, and then come up straight. Well, I like how low you're drawing it.
Oh, yeah.
You could also draw your radio really tall, too. I'm going to draw it this height, so it's kind of short. And you could draw it a lot taller if you want. Or you could draw it short. I like that it's lower on the paper.
Yeah.
Okay, now we can draw the little feet to our radio. I'm going to draw a square letter U and a square letter U over here to match. Then let's draw the screen where you change the station. I'm going to draw another square rectangle shape. I'm going to draw the bottom part first, and we're drawing it in. We're leaving a border around the outside. Yes. And then we're going to repeat that same shape going across to the other side. Nice. Now we need to draw the speaker. I'm going to draw it over here. And I'm going to draw it the same kind of round corners and connect. And we could add texture for the speaker lines, but I'm going to leave it like that. And we'll add the texture when we're coloring.
Okay.
Okay, now let's draw the volume button. And the tuning button, or dial, I should say, not button. You turn them.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so this one turns the volume up, and then this one changes the stations. Cool. There we go. Okay, now let's draw the handle. You always had to have a handle to carry your radio. So I'm going to draw it there. And then let's draw that same shape inside but smaller. And we'll follow it around to the other side. And then we got to draw the antenna. I'm going to draw it straight up. And then we could also draw a little circle at the end. But what's our radio missing?
A funny face.
Yeah, funny face. I'm gonna draw my favorite funny face, but our art friends can change it. So I'm gonna draw the face or the smile like this. And what did you do? Oh, you could draw just a simple smile, or you could draw a really tall one.
Oh yeah,
with lots of teeth. Yeah, and you could leave it like that, or you could draw a line connecting the top if you want to draw the mouth open. I'm going to add teeth inside, and then I'm going to draw a tongue, and then also the back of the mouth, color it in. Yes, that's awesome. Okay, now let's draw the eyes. I'm going to draw a circle this big on both sides. And then we could also draw the highlight. I always like drawing a little smaller circle inside. And then we can color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white.
I'm going to add a mustache.
Okay. All right. I like it. That's awesome. He's very distinguished.
Yes.
Oh, now it's even thicker.
Yes.
I like it. Except we still need to do one more thing.
Color it.
Yes, this part we'll fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video if you want to match our same coloring. You ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
Awesome, we did it! We finished coloring our radios. That was a good high five, man. And yours turned out awesome. I love that little mustache.
Thanks. I like that we added notes up here.
Yeah, you can add even more details. We added speaker lines, and also I added the stations and some rosy cheeks.
Yeah. I also like that we added a shadow at the bottom. It makes it look more 3D.
Yeah, now you guys can pause the video like we said and match our same coloring, or you can color any way you want. And just a reminder, we used our markers, but you could also use different supplies like crayons or even oil pastels.
Yeah. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a retro radio with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun. And remember, it's okay if your drawings look different than ours. Both of our drawings turn out different, especially because you got a mustache.
Yes.
The most important thing is?
To have fun.
Yeah, and to
Practice.
practice. And we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Did you know we've got a whole series of how to draw books? We teamed up with DK to create 6 amazing titles, each one packed with fun, step-by-step lessons. The print quality is so amazing, and they're really affordable too. We're so grateful for DK and excited to share these with your family. Grown-ups, you can learn more and grab your copies by clicking the link in the description below.